Hey guys, it's me, Reka B, and thanks for rolling me. I look a tired mess, okay? I'm sorry that my intro is like that. I should not say that, but I'm kind of tired, okay? I've been having long nights and long days, but I went to Chick-Fil-A and I got the grill club. I don't know what it's called. I got that, and I don't think I ever had it before, and I wanted to try it with y'all. And I also got the Kale Crunch. It's called the Grill Club, the Kale Crunch. And I also, instead of fries, because, well, I should have got fries with it. What's this? Bye. I low-key want to go back and be like, can I just have fries? But I'm going to try it. This just don't seem like it's a side. And they said a side for a minute. But they only give you 5 fries anyway, too. So I'm gonna put the almonds on the Kale Crunch. It comes with almonds. I happen to like nuts in my salad. It took them a long time to make this food. I'm supposed to be going to do my little sister hair. It's good though. Let me get this little nasty salad too. I like to want to take this salad back. It's so nasty. I guess I took the healthier route. I should have just got my salad though. But this is, it's good. I low-key wanted to do a video, so I didn't want to eat a salad again. This is some of their honey roasted barbecue. When I say fire, fire. That takes it to another level. Every time I do a Chick-Fil-A, I'm on my way to the shop. I'm always in a rush looking. This is good though. I probably would not get it again though. Only because there's better stuff. And I like to get my money's like worth looking. And to me, this is not getting your money's worth, kinda. To me. And I bought a side of this. And this is Avocado Ranch. For the salad that gives you a little bit more flavor. So just a little. They parked all the way over here to go to. That made it taste better. That made it taste really good. Put some of this on here. Okay. A big old piece of chicken down here. Okay, so this is good. Once you get into it and you find your sausage you like on it. I mean, some people don't even have to have sauce on their food. I would consider myself a sauce queen. What was I trying to say? I should have set that up first. But oh no, this is good. It tastes refreshing. And that's kind of what I was going for too. Okay, see, I might order this again now. It's speaking to me now. Coke Zero. So good. Why are my eyes so red like this? This don't make no sense. I need some rest. I got a Chick-Fil-A sauce too, but I don't even need it. But, you know, it's only right that I try it with the Chick-Fil-A sauce too. So let me take this bite. If you get this sandwich, and you like avocado, get the avocado. What is it? Lime Ranch. Check out with it. I can't put this down. I'm gonna fall back. I'll put it down. Why would it? Make this one open. Just dip this corner and let's see. Do I even like the Chick-fil-A sauce like that? I'm using all 3 sauces. Oh, this is so saucy. You know I got the sauce. And you know I'm saucy. This is too good. I forgot about my little kale salad. But this with some fries would be good too, but it tastes really good with this kale salad. Last bite. I'll just put some in it. That was good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quickie. I did. It was so delicious. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And is you rolling? Hey, is you rolling? Hey, subscribe, please. Subscribe, please. We gonna eat up. We gonna drink up. We gonna chop it up. Because we blessed up. I hope you have a blessed day. Stay positive. Please hit the bell so you can really be rolling with Reka. All right, peace. Head to the shop.